Hi everyone, my name is Galbi. I'm going to cook Korean kimchi pancake. We call it Kimchi-Jeon. So let's make it. Today I found overly fermented kimchi from the fridge, so I decided to make kimchi pancake. So a lot of my friends asked me, they bought kimchi and then they tried some. The kimchi is sitting in the fridge for a while and they don't know what to do with that. So I think this is good way to get rid of overly fermented kimchi. So first of all, we will chop the onion. You can just slice them like 2 green onions. You can chop them diagonal. If you don't like green onion, you can just skip this. I'm going to cut it very finely. One cup, 2 cups of it. So I'm going to put 2 cups of flours. Today I'm using Korean flour for the pancakes. 1, 2. Milk. If you don't drink milk, you can just use water instead. Let's pour it. Juice from the kimchi itself. So I'm gonna have to use them all. 1 egg. If you sear dough just like this, then it's good to go. 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil. Put it in the pan. Make sure you don't flip it over frequently. Flip it. Now it's time to eat, and I'm so excited to taste it. So I'm gonna put 1 pancake on the cutting board. Oh my gosh. You can So let me taste it. Look at this. It's really good. It is crunchy from outside and then soft inside. Then kimchi is salty. Onions will give you some sweetness as well. This is good. So thank you for watching the video today. Please subscribe me, like the video, and then we'll see you next time. Thank you.